Yeah, baby. Let me take you over there to the other side.
Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I'm just speeding up the process of me unpackaging this Gel X nail kit for you guys and just showing y'all everything that it came with. Came with these very nice and detailed instructions. As you can see, it comes with a mini nail lamp for you to cure the Gel X, so you don't have to worry about if you don't have a lamp to cure the Gel X, because this kit does provide you with that. And it also does provide you with a nice nail glue gel. This nail glue gel was pretty thick, so you don't have to worry about it flooding the cuticles or getting all everywhere. And the nail files that came with it, you guys, were very nice. It wasn't those itty bitty nail files, but this nail clipper, y'all, was allowed. And as you can see, the sizes go from a 0 to a 9. So if you do have smaller nail beds like I do, that 9 is going to be the smallest size, so you are going to have to customize it to your pinky just a little bit. And now I am showing you guys that I have picked out my sizes already, and I have also etched the inside of the nail so that, you know, it goes onto my nail and it stays. The only thing that this kit did not come with, you guys, is a dehydrator and a primer. Now, if you guys have been a watcher of my YouTube channel, you have seen my first ever review of a Gel X dupe kit was from Model 1, and that kit came with some dehydrator. And I feel like a kit coming with some dehydrator is chef's kiss. I love that. And y'all see me using my little fan just to go ahead and dry the primer that I put on. And now, y'all, we are getting to the application of the nails. Now, I have been doing Gel X a lot more than I have been doing any other nail process. Any nail process such as polygel, dip powder. Y'all know I'm kind of leery of doing anything dealing with acrylic. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Yeah, acrylic nails, just because the smell gives me a bad headache. So the Gel X, polygel, especially polygel, those are my two favorites because the smell is, you know, limited to none. So this is really easy. I didn't use the lamp that came with the kit just because it was kind of hard to slide your nail under there while you're making sure that you're holding on to. So I did use my Model 1's nail lamp. So that's another thing about this kit that I didn't like, was the fact that it didn't come with a primer and dehydrator. And also you have to, you know, use a different lamp. But that's just personal preference. Maybe if I tried a little harder, I would have been able to use the lamp that came with the kit. But for comfortability, I used my Model 1's kit. And everything I'm doing is kind of self-explanatory. So I'm going to kind of shut up and just let you guys see what I'm doing. Alright, y'all, so the nails are all clicked up, and I am showing you this Beetles gel polish kit that I got off of Amazon, you guys. I am going to link this polish kit down below so you guys can see it, but I chose the blue color. As you can see, I was feeling very blue, very blue, and this blue is very vibrant. Now, one coat of the polish does give you kind of like a jelly nail color, so if you're into that, then you can do one coat, but I did end up doing probably 2 coats. after I got the opacity that I wanted with this blue, I then went in with this cat eye color, and I will be linking that down below in the description box as well for you guys. But I did end up ordering this off of Amazon, and it is from Model Ones, and it is their holographic cat eye color. And y'all, this was so pretty. This was my first time doing a little cat eye technique, and I must say I fell in love. And y'all have seen me use this cuticle oil before. It is from Flowery, and I also got this from Amazon. If you have not been able to tell by now, I am an Amazon lover, an avid Amazon shopper. So I will also link this down below in the description box. But after you do your nails, you need to make sure that you oil up those cuticles to give your cuticles that nourishment, and it just make your nails look better, in my opinion, after you have them all oiled up, all glossed up. While I'm glossing these nails up, I just want to thank you guys for coming through and watching my video. Thank you guys for bearing with me, because life has been lifing, so I haven't been able to put out as much content. But thank you guys for watching.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me?